This week we took a tour of the Microsoft offices, checking out the different facilities that are in the area. On Monday we traveled all the way down to Chicago to check out the Microsoft Technology Center. This was an excellent place to go meet the team at Microsoft, run through different scenarios, and talk through how are we going to govern and manage the Power Platform with a self-service framework in a large global scale enterprise. So let's get to it. The day started out pretty good as we headed into the Microsoft office, and we got together some of the biggest brain trusts in the area to sit down and talk about what does governance mean. MTC is a real impressive place. If you get a chance to go down and check it out, you really should. The medical facilities, the different rooms that they have in there. Big shout out to Charles for putting this together. Super cool place to go check out. Look at all the new technology that Microsoft has. We then move on to the Power BI user group. All right, here we are at the Milwaukee PUG. We are down in the Microsoft office. We're checking it out. They've got a pretty cool facility here. If you're ever in downtown Milwaukee, you hear about any meetings with Microsoft. This is a pretty good facility. The PUG meets once a month. We go over different Power BI uses and use cases. Today we're going to go over highlights from 2019. We're going to see paginated reports. I've been in this guy here several different times for presentations. It's kind of a cool place. Really interesting. But as you can kind of see, it's pretty big. Seats 30, 40 people, and hopefully we can get a good decent crowd tonight. Really excited about it. I'm new to this whole video thing. I don't understand how this whole float thing works, but I think it worked well. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the tour of the Microsoft offices. Had a real good time heading down to Microsoft down in Chicago at the MTC this week, meeting with everyone, talking about the Power BI governance and enablement. And then I had a real good time meeting everybody at the Milwaukee PUG group. It was really fun. Thanks for watching this clip. As always, head out to kratosbi.com. Feel free to buy me a coffee. We really thank you for your sponsorship. Anyone who does, send out one of these nice little stickers too as a means of thank you. So thanks, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.